Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect fall and winter bag? This bag checks all of the boxes. I love this bag. My favorite thing about it is how spacious it is. It's not only adorable and very fashionable, being the green corduroy, it also comes in other colors, but it is so functional. It carries so much stuff. When we got it, I got it for my daughter, and we were both very surprised at how well it's made and also how big it actually is. We could fit everything we need in this bag. A little bit more about how durable it actually is. You can see here my daughter has put her water bottle in it and mine, and it holds all of the stuff that a 16-year-old girl needs. You can see here that she's got some weight in it, and it just shows no signs of giving out on us. The stitching is so well made. The zippers are strong and they work good. We are really impressed with the quality of this bag. You can see the handles here. You can use it as a crossbody bag or a handbag. It's got a lot of pockets. These elastic pockets on the side here hold my water bottle and hers, and look how deep they are. We were really impressed with that. It's got pockets on the front, it's got pockets on the inside, just pockets everywhere to hold all of your necessities, like your iPad, your keys, your wallet, your sunglasses, and then even just some oddball stuff that you want to throw in there. A notebook, books, anything. You can fit it all in here. So this bag is amazing. It's spacious, it's gorgeous, and I love it. But that's just my point of view.